Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we simplify tech for everyday users. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of operating systems, the backbone of any computer or device you use. Specifically, we'll be exploring the first two types of operating systems: batch operating systems and time-sharing operating systems. Trust me, you'll leave here with a clear understanding of how these systems impact the way we work and live. But before we dive in, let me introduce a tool I've been using that's been an absolute game changer for multi-accounting: GoLogin, the best browser for multi-accounting. Whether you're managing multiple online profiles or testing various environments securely, GoLogin lets you handle it all effortlessly. Stick around to see how it can transform your digital workflow. First up, we have batch operating systems. Back in the early days of computing, there was no fancy user interface or even real-time interaction with the computer. Users had to submit tasks or jobs in batches to be processed one at a time. Think of it like dropping off a stack of documents at a print shop and waiting for your turn. These systems were efficient for their time, but came with significant limitations. If one job failed, the entire batch could crash. Despite that, Batch OS was revolutionary for tasks like payroll processing or large-scale computations in the 1960s. Now, fast forward a bit, and we get to time-sharing operating systems. This type of OS was designed to maximize efficiency and user interaction. By allowing multiple users to access a computer simultaneously, each user gets a time slice, a small amount of time where their task is processed, before moving to the next user. This was groundbreaking for the 1970s and 80s, as it introduced the concept of multitasking. Today's operating systems like Windows and Mac OS are modern descendants of this principle. By the way, if you're managing multiple online accounts for work or testing purposes, GoLogin is perfect for this. It lets you create unique browsing environments for each account without ever mixing cookies or data. Check it out. It's been a lifesaver for me. Alright, that's it for part 1. In the next video, we'll cover distributed operating systems and real-time operating systems. You don't want to miss it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your tech-savvy friends. See you in the next one. Operating systems revolutionized computing by enabling multitasking and user interaction. Together, they represent the evolution from rigid, single-tasking systems to the dynamic, user-friendly experiences we have today. It's incredible how these concepts still influence modern operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Thanks for tuning in to part 1 of this series. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're notified when we dive into distributed and real-time operating systems next. See you soon.